There are a lot of ways to divide a room or a living space in a studio apartment, more functional ways in fact. Outside permanent walls, traditional folding screen, or freestanding room divider. You can really maximize the small square footage of a single room, create separate spaces, and ultimately add a functional design element. To divide a room and add function, you want to make sure you get more use out of your divider than just having it provide privacy. You can use furniture, items, or even unexpected design elements that both enable you to separate spaces and add more purpose to the room. Here are 6 ideas that can help you divide a room and make it multifunctional. 1. Indoor plants. If you're looking for a way to divide a room, indoor plants are the perfect solution. Tall potted plants can be used as makeshift dividers that will create 2 distinct living spaces and add some natural beauty to your home. Surrounding yourself with plant life is not only visually pleasing but also calming and soothing. An environment that includes plant life of some sort has been known to have many health benefits. Adding tall plants to divide a room is an easy way to get the benefits and also have a functional design element. Number 2. Mirrored room divider. Mirrors are both decorative and functional and can be used to divide a room in an interesting way. In a small space, a mirror can make the area feel larger and more open. You can also use it to create a reflection of the other side of the room, which gives it an even bigger look. Number 3. Storage unit room divider. Obviously, storage units in a smaller space are invaluable and can also be used as a room divider. Storage units act as functional dividers because they allow you to store items, while at the same time creating a physical barrier between 2 areas. This will help to maximize the amount of storage you have and keep your items organized all at the same time. Number 4. Console or dining table. A console or dining table is a great way to divide a room while still making it look stylish. Many studio apartments can't fit a traditional dining table, and so a wall-mounted table, a console table, could easily act as a room divider in that space. Number 5. Hanging lighting. Lighting design is another great way to divide a room. Not only do they function to provide lighting, but they can be used to create divisions within a space. You can use hanging pendant lamps or other types of light fixtures to hang above the divide and separate 2 spaces. This will also add a great visual element that is both decorative and functional. Number 6. Separate seating spaces. Creating separate seating spaces within a small space can be an interesting way to divide it. This is especially helpful for studio apartments and other small homes where space is limited. Adding a couple of chairs, ottomans, or benches in different areas can create 2 distinct spaces that are both comfortable and functional. With a little bit of creativity, you can make any space feel more enjoyable and functional.